YouTube, TriStars Trucking. In this video, I'm gonna talk about art start. My Volvo is giving me an art start, and I'm trying to diagnose the problem myself. You know, I've been doing some research, and one of the most common problem for art start is injectors on the Volvos, right?
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
But based on my when I was buying the truck, even though it's 2 years, this would be 200 over 200 miles now, or 200,000 kilo. When I bought the truck, the injectors was recently repaired because I got all the bills and whatnot from Volvo. So I saw that it was already, you know, repaired, changed out all 6 and replaced with new ones with caps, also injector caps and injectors. So I wasn't thinking so that the injector would be the problem why I'm getting this art start. So we were at the mechanic. I went by mechanic and we tried to check all the possibilities, and one of the things that come to mind was the return, the check valve that keep the gas up to the cylinder, keep the diesel fuel up to the engine head, to the cap, that when you start, you will have fuel up there. It won't be coming from the tank to all the way up. It'll already be stuck up there. That's what it should be. Fuel should be in the line. When you stop, it should never run back. So what is happening now? The fuel is actually running back. So because it's running back, it's taking a while, and it's not starting. Now, like I said, I changed the return valve thing. I changed that. I think we had run through the line to see if there's any air leak, but I think we need to do a double check again in the fuel line to see if there any way the fuel is getting out or whatnot. But or what I'm now thinking, because I was discussing this with a friend, what I'm now thinking is maybe my fuel pump is, taking going slowly, you know what I mean? So I'm just a bit skeptic. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to diagnose the problem, which today basically I parked for 2 days and I didn't start the truck. Now I'm gonna try to start to see if I still get that hard start, or it will just start, because sometimes it just start that one go. So the real purpose of this video is actually, if I get the hard start again, there is a way, to not let your battery run down, because if you keep turning it, your battery will run down and die, and then you have to get a jump start or something. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna attempt to start 1 try. I know maybe if I go 2 try, it may start, or 3, but I'm gonna go 1 try. And if it doesn't start, I'm gonna show you guys a way to start the truck when you're getting these type of problems, especially in the winter, because sometimes in the winter you just got 2 tries, because sometimes when it's really cold, the battery went down below even 50% of the natural power, especially if you have your fridge and the heater, bunk heater, or radiator, whatever on in your truck. The life on your battery is just able to give you 2 cranks, because it's a lot of power to crank the truck up, So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do 1 crank, and if it doesn't start with that 1 crank, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you guys what to do so that another crank will get you up and running. Then in the next video, or maybe in the same video, I will diagnose to see what's the problem again. I already done some stuff. I look in the fuel tank, because I was told once you see bubbles coming back when the engine is running, that means it's the injector. So I was getting stuff like those. Then someone tell me again, like, if it's running back, you gotta return. You gotta return. There's a return line coming back to the tank. So sometimes is the fuel coming back also. So yeah, if it's not too much, it's just maybe just fuel coming back because whatever. And also, the person said if the injectors was going bad, I would have like the engine check light coming up because of the DF may clogged up because it's not burning out the fuel. There's a whole bunch of stuff, you know, that can go on. But what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to diagnose the problem as minimal as possible. So if I do go into a shop, I know exactly what to tell these guys that is working on it. You know, sometimes they gotta do everything. I know when the longer the truck in is the more money without any work begun, you know. So enough being said, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to start my truck right now to see if it actually start. And if, like I said, it's one crank. If not, I'm gonna go outside, show you guys what I did. And the truck just, you know, because maybe there's air in the line or my injectors are going bad. So, or my fuel pump is showing signs that, listen, change me. So, that being said, YouTube, let's go for it. TriStars, truck it. Okay, YouTube, so let's give it a try. Well, it starts, the engine actually start with that one try. So my experiment is not gonna get done today, but I'm still gonna post this video because I just want you guys to know I'm trying to catch what's going on to show you guys what to do. So please stay tuned, make sure you guys are subscribed. I know I'm gonna do it in this same video, but just to let you guys know, the truck actually starts after 2 days, which normally it would give me that crank, that long crank before I actually get anything, you know what I mean? I have to go outside and whatnot, but it didn't happen this time, so let's try for it again. Thanks for tuning in. This is TriStars Trucking. Peace. YouTube, TriStars from TriStars Trucking. Back at it again with a new video. Well, it's the same video about the arch start. And like I said, I'm trying to make sure I catch it on camera, so I choose another day to try my truck again. Well, I parked for a day and a half, going 2, and I'm going to try and start my truck. Not sure if it's gonna start by the one click, but I just want to do this so you guys have an idea, you know, how to start the truck when, you know, having this type of problem, especially in the winter. I was advised that maybe it's not my injectors, is maybe high here in the fuel line, or my primary fuel pump maybe showing sign that it's going. So nevertheless, whatever it is, we are going to find it out because I'm going through the steps. And thanks for tuning in. It's TriStars Trucking. Let's go right now to see what's going on with the truck. Thanks for tuning in. Try the truck now to see if it starts. Yes, YouTube. So this is it. It's a low here. That means I have a hair leak somewheres in the truck. Let me just go inside the system to see. Okay, so low here in transmission. I mean, when all the hair comes out the truck, that's what you guys gonna see. All right, let's. The outside is -10. Let me got the gauge. All right, the oil is -14. That's what the oil is. It's coming off. The battery is 11.6. No, here. All right, what is that? That's a DEF. -8. Okay, so let's give it a try to see if it starts by the one kick or not. Alright. Now, that's what I'm talking about on YouTube. That is exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, so that's what I was explaining to you guys earlier. The hard start or the long start or whatever we want to call it. That's exactly what I was talking about. Now, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to pull over the wood, and I'm going to show you guys what to do to actually get started, so you can on the journey or figure out what is the problem later. Because if I continue to do this, my battery is going to run down, and that's where the problem is. Because you got to call, roadside assistant to come to give you a jump start if you don't have anyone around you to give you a start. So let's get right into it. Thanks for tuning in. TriStar is trucking. Yes, YouTube. So I'm here in the engine, as you guys can see. It's very cold, but I'm gonna put one leg inside just to get a better view. All right. So this is as you can see, you're here in the engine. So right, this thing that you're seeing right here, this is what you actually use to prime the fuel or to pump the fuel back up to the injectors, basically, because this is what's happening. The fuel is running back, but to get it back up there, normally you'd have to turn the key over and over for the pump to pump the fuel back up. Now we're gonna screw, because they're gonna push down on this thing. I don't know if you can see it. They're gonna push down on it, screw it to the right, and then it comes up. You can see it pop up. That's it. Now you gotta pump on it until it gets hard. If you can look, you gotta pump it until it gets hard. Gotta pump on it until it's hard. Okay, now I'm gonna close. I wanna close it. Okay, so I push it back down and I close it. So let's go try to give it a start now to see if it actually turns over. All right, let's give it another try. Okay, you guys see that? Yes, YouTube. So that's a problem I've been having over the past couple of weeks. So I need more checks. I'm gonna take it back to the mechanic and try to see where to go from there, because I know fuel is running back. It's not staying up there. That's the reason for the long start or the hard start. As soon as I get this figured out, so just stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. TriStar.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.